There, I got you 2 new lids. You done screaming now? Yeah. Mama left the room. I know. Where'd I go? I went to get the phone. Yeah. Do you want to go out and help me on that bird feeder some more? You didn't seem to enjoy that. You can come out and pound it in with me? Do you want to? Do you want to? You just want the hammer. Yeah, look at you. You can't have this hammer. This is my hammer. Yeah. This is mine. It's cool though, right? Yeah. Okay, you stay here and play. I'm going to go try and pound this into the ground. Broke the hammer, so no more can be done. We'll have to go out and find another hammer. This is a nice one. I know, I'd like to give it to you, but I can't. This was not cheap. Am I gonna have to hide it? All right. I love you.